Good morning, third grade. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. Let's take a look at our agenda. You should have your planner printed out by now. Learning Lab schedule. Today from 9 to 10, Learning Lab will be open on Zoom for K-4 and 6th grade. Stroudsburg site is 10 to 1, Duncansville site is 1 to 3, and the help desk is open from 5 to 8 on Happy Fox. It is Try It Thursday, so wake up with math fun by playing this fraction match card game. So the directions are listed here, and I just put it here so you could read everything. If you go to this paragraph here, this lists materials. The only thing that you need are your fraction cards. The rest is like extra decoration. So you print these out one-sided and then cut them out. And then the directions are here, how to play. It's like Go Fish, but with fractions. So you say, I'll trade you my 7/8 for your 1/6, and so on. So read the directions. English, we are still working on Module 26, Rainy Days. Nothing to turn in today. We're going to start with spelling and vocabulary, have our first read of Attic Memories. Next, we'll look at some common abbreviations, and then we'll begin working on the rough draft of your friendly letter and finish up with fluency. Spelling, Detective Dino, or whatever practice you prefer. Vocabulary, crossword puzzle, whatever practice you prefer. Reading, today we're going to read Attic Memories for the first time. Yesterday we made some predictions about the story, so you're going to see if you are right. Your vocabulary words are highlighted in yellow, and you can read along with it, or you can read it on your own. Today we're taking a look at some common abbreviations. So what is an abbreviation? That's like a long blah, 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 blah word. So it's a shortened form of a word. So abbreviation is a big word that means make words shorter. So abbreviations begin with a capital letter and end with a period. So there are 4 tabs here: people, days of the week, months of the year, and roads. So some common abbreviations you see regularly. So like Mr. becomes MR period for Mr. and Mrs. becomes MRS period. Doctor, DR period. Junior, JR period. So take a look at those because most of them you probably are very familiar with. Writing, today is going to be writing the rough draft of your friendly letter. You made a graphic organizer yesterday, so please get that out. You will need it. And go through the slideshow to help you build your rough draft. So you need a date and greeting, your opening, your body, and your closing. Fluency. Every week we practice our rate, expression, and annotation. This is your paragraph this week. Listen to it being read, practice, and then read along with it. All right, Math A, please continue working on Splash Learn. Math B, please continue working on Splash Learn and IXL. No social studies, we have science. You should have already watched the video and done Engage, Explore, Explain. Today you're going to evaluate, and this evaluate piece is actually a quiz. So this is it linked here, 24.1 Forces in Motion quiz, movement quiz. This, as you can see, attempts are unlimited. So this is not to, like, you're not going to get a bad grade on this. I just want you to practice until you have the terms memorized so that I know that you understand what is happening. So you can take it as many times as you need to until you feel confident. All right, my friends, that is that. Have a great day.